Hello everyone, welcome to Delicacies and DIY. Do you like freshly baked bread? Keep watching until the end for all the tips on baking white bread easily at home. Add 3 teaspoons sugar to 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, mix well, cover and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes or until the yeast blooms. Yeast mixture has turned frothy and is ready to be used. Take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, add half a teaspoon salt, mix it well. Transfer the flour and salt mixture in a bigger bowl. Add the prepared yeast mixture. Mix everything nicely. Add 1/4 cup of warm water. You may need a little less or more of water while kneading. Initially, the dough is sticky and messy, but do not worry. Transfer onto the working surface. I have used a big plate. You can simply knead it on a clean kitchen counter. Keep stretching and pulling the dough. Add 2 tablespoons butter and knead until all the butter is incorporated into the dough. If using unsalted butter, increase the amount of salt to 1 teaspoon while adding to the flour. Grease the bowl with some oil. Apply a teaspoon of oil to the dough as well. Take the dough and tuck the sides downwards as shown. Place it in a bowl and cover with a damp cloth. Let it rest for 2 hours or until the dough doubles in size. Grease a loaf tin with oil. Dough has proofed well within 2 hours. Knock out the air from the dough and knead for a minute. Sprinkle some flour. Roll out the dough. Start folding the dough and pinch to seal after every fold. Transfer into a loaf pan and spread gently until it covers all the sides. Brush some oil to prevent drying. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes or until it rises and doubles in size. Dough has risen in 30 minutes. Brush with some milk gently. Pause the video to read the instructions on baking this white sandwich bread. The bread is baked nicely within 45 minutes. Brush with butter while it's still hot and cover with a cloth to prevent the top of the bread from drying. Cut slices after the bread is cooled completely. Enjoyed the video so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. This white bread turns out soft, fluffy, spongy and airy. Do try it out and share your experience in the comment section. I would love to know.